In this video, we're going to show you how to install the corner marker light on your Toyota Camry located beside your headlight. In order to remove this corner marker light, there's going to be a tab right here, and that is located right here. There's a Phillips head screw that goes into this here. Our corner marker light tab is broken. So let's go ahead and use our Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove this would-be anchoring screw. Remove that and set it aside. On our particular vehicle, we need to remove the tape that is securing our lamp in place. And once you have this loose on your particular vehicle, if the lens is just cracked, the light is going to pull out straight towards you. On the back, turn this socket counterclockwise, pull that out, remove the bulb. Now if you want to go ahead and replace that bulb assembly itself, you can go ahead and pull that bulb out like so. We're going to be replacing this whole unit. So just press down on this tab. I'm going to pop this socket right out of it. Connect this to the back side of our light assembly. You can hear it and feel it snap into place. Insert your tabs inside the fender, and this here is going to come out on the front side to the top side of the headlight assembly. Now sometimes you just got to kind of bump this parking light or the marker light here with the palm of your hand. Make sure it fits around nice and smooth. And right here on the top is where you're going to put your tiny little Phillips head screw. I'm going to get your Phillips head screw started in here. Go through that tab and snug that down gently. And once it bottoms out, you're good right there. Once you have this secured, if you're replacing the other light, you want to go ahead and repeat that process.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.